Hello everybody. Today I make video in good quality to show how to mine XMR on Android phone. First I downloaded Fdroid Market from fdroid.org, just search in Google. Download, install, and run. While it updates repositories. Then search Userland application and also download it and install. Installation, run it, choose Ubuntu, enter username, password for SSH and VNC, and choose SSH. Wait a little while Ubuntu starts. Enter SSH password. Ubuntu is ready, now we need to update repositories. Run command apt update. After update done, run system upgrade by command sudo apt upgrade. Now we can install all required packages. Run command sudo apt install git pru to git build essential make lib of 1 dev lib microt dev lib zzl dev. Wait while installs, it takes time. Next clone xmrig repository from GitHub, command is git clone https://github.com/xmrig/xmrig. When cloned, go into directory cd xmrig. Make build directory mgator build. Enter into build directory cd build. Next enter command make with underscore how lock equals off. Then make. Compiling takes time, need to wait. Then compilation done, I installed tools to check IP address of phone, command is sudo apt install nettools. Checking IP address with command ifconfig. Next going to PC. Open in web browser website xmrig.org. Choose wizard. New configuration, check you like pool, I choose nano pool, add wallet address. Then press on result and download config file. Next I taken WinSp software to copy config file on mobile phone. Press on new session, enter your phone IP address what we checked with ifconfig command. Enter username, I created username user while installing Ubuntu on Userland and enter your defined password. Port will be 2022. Press login. Copy config.json to /home/your username /xmrig/build/folder. Then you can disconnect and continue on your mobile. Check if config file exists in build directory with command ls. If exist you can now run miner with command /xmrig. Miner starts, wait some time while you start getting jobs. Mining speed you can check pressing H button on keyboard. On 8 threads I have maximum 182 hash per second. Thank you for your attention, don't forget press like and subscribe.